Toushin's attorney, Bo Edwards, complained the feds were trying to put his client out of business by trying him first in Chicago on tax charges and then in Nashville on porn charges.
The suggestion is that the people in Washington thought that the people in the courts in Nashville and the people who would sit on a jury in Nashville would have less regard for freedom of the press and freedom of speech.
Nashville U.S. Attorney Joe Brown.
I think that's utter rubbish for an argument. Pornography is pornography, obscenity is obscenity, whether it's in Tennessee or anywhere else, and I think the government has a right to prosecute it wherever it's found.
Midway through the trial, after the court was shown the evidence, much to the surprise of everyone, Toushin pleaded guilty. The judge in the case, citing the First Amendment and its freedom of speech provisions, opted to give Toushin probation instead of additional time in prison. Prosecutors had argued Toushin deserved extra jail time, that he was a danger, but those arguments fell on deaf ears.
What he did was to very consciously choose to make a profit on human misery. He sold videotapes depicting the most perverse, the most vile types of sexual behavior, and he sent it to addresses. People had to send in money. There was no proof of age. It was mailed indiscriminately to households. A child could watch that video. A person who was unstable could watch these videos. They could attempt to copy what was shown on those videos. I consider them very dangerous. And anyone that could knowingly make a profit off of this kind of material, I think is a dangerous person. I think that's why Congress passed laws against the mailing of this kind of material.
Steven Toushin will be released from prison in a few short years.
It would be naive to say we could completely shut an individual down operating as large as he was.